In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an organization email in Zoho CRM. This is a crucial step for ensuring that your communication within your team and with your clients remains seamless and professional. So, let's dive in and go through this process together, step by step. First, you need to navigate within Zoho CRM to set the stage for adding your organization email. Head over to Setup, and from there, find Channels. Once you're in Channels, look for Email, and then click on Email Configuration. This is your home base for managing all things email in Zoho CRM. Make sure you switch to the Organization Emails tab so you can focus specifically on the email accounts that represent your organization. Now that you've got the right tab open, click on the option that says plus add new email address. This will prompt you to enter a few key details about the new email address you're bringing into your Zoho CRM environment. Start by entering a display name. This might be something like sales team or any name that represents the purpose of the email address. This name is what will appear in outgoing emails, so choose something that will clearly represent your team or the function of the email account. Next, go ahead and insert the email address you want to add. This could be something like sales@yourcompany.com. After that, it's important to decide who in your organization will have access to this email address. You can choose specific profiles or roles that should be allowed to use this address when sending emails. It's a good idea to think about who needs to send emails from this address and set these permissions accordingly to maintain control over your organization's communication. Once you've entered all this information, click Create. This will add the new email address to your organization's list of emails within Zoho CRM. Depending on your subscription edition, there are different limits to how many organization email addresses you can add. If you're using the free edition, you can add up to 3. For the standard edition, it's 50. The professional edition allows for 75. And if you're on the Enterprise or Ultimate edition, you can add a whopping 500 organization email addresses. The next important step is to verify the email address you've just added. Zoho CRM will send a confirmation code to the email address you provided. To complete the setup, head back to Zoho CRM and find the option that says Click to Confirm. Click on that and enter the confirmation code that was sent to your email. Then, click Confirm. It's worth noting that you need to do this within 15 days, or you'll have to resend the confirmation code and start this step over. And that's it! You have successfully added an organization email to Zoho CRM. This will streamline your communication and ensure that all your team members are on the same page. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.